What's up, guys? Jake Frye, the car guy, and today I am bringing you some brand new floor mats that we have offered through an awesome company with the link in description. These are CarQiWireless floor mats, all weather, for your new F250, 350, and hey, we figured out they even fit in the F150. So today I've got a 2022 F150 Lightning in the beautiful Oxford white. This is a Lightning Lariat. And we've already got our back mats in. This is a 3-mat setup. I've still got the old F150 branded mats in there.
Let's give them a close-up look at the mats real quick.
Let's drop that close-up look. So I love the aesthetic of these mats. They are kind of a really flexible material, and they do advertise that they are super flexible. They are kind of slash and tear resistant as well, and they're also waterproof. So whatever your preferred brand of mats can do, we've got it covered in spades. So here you see some rubberized F150 mats. These are more of a vinylized, texturized, almost a carbon fiber look, really, and kind of that same feel. Just so flexible. They seem very durable. We're going to see how they do. We're going to check back in installing these in an F250. Look at that. They pop right in there, guys. I mean, it took me 5 seconds to drop that in. So we're going to check back. I'm going to run these in my F150 Lightning for a week or two, and we're also going to pop these in an F250, 350. Make sure that they fit as well as we're seeing them fit on our 2022 Lightning today. So we're just coming around to our driver's side. The driver's side does have the snap-ins, which you do want because you don't want your mats going up over your brake or your accelerator pedal. We just pop out our F150 mats. These are much, much lighter as well than your F150 mats. So just a little bit of weight reduction, you know, and definitely a nice texture. And again, make sure I'm lined up there. They snap right in. I mean, these are fantastic. You see, I've got my Bronco socks on today on the all-weather mats here, and they look so good. It really almost identically matches the trim of the truck. And Walker, let's show them these back seats here. It does have a full third piece for your kids, for your passengers. And you know, with that waterproof, that rip-proof, that super durable texture that we've got here, that you're not going to have any problems with this. So go ahead and check out the link in the description. I believe these are under $200 for a full set of F150 super durable mats. So you can't go wrong there. And be sure, as always, to like and subscribe because we've got more awesome car, truck, F150 products coming soon. This has been Jake Frye, the car guy, with
Walker Paul Tedders. Guys, if you have any questions about these floor mats, hit us up at certifiedcarguys@gmail.com. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we give a good shout out to CarQiWireless for sending these great floor mats.
Absolutely. Like and subscribe and pick you up a set of mats now.